Hello friends, my name is Shelly. I welcome you all to my channel. As you all know that I always try to bring the new videos with the new topics. So let's begin today's topic. Today's topic is our clothes. अब clothes का नाम सुनते ही लगता है कि कौन से clothes पहने जिससे कि हम smart लगें. Yes, of course, everybody thinks that. But इसके अलावा क्लोथ्स हमें वो पहनने होते हैं जो सीजन के अकॉर्डिंग हो, वेदर के अकॉर्डिंग हो। तो ये सब के बारे में आज हम इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। Why do we wear clothes and why are they important for us? So, clothes protect our body from heat, cold and rain. अब अगर हीट होती है, गर्मी होती है, कोल्ड होता है एंड देन रेनी सीजन होता है तो क्या आप लोग एक जैसे क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं? नो, वी ऑलवेज चेंज और वेयर द क्लोथ्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द सीजन. जब ठंड बहुत होती है तो आप स्वेटर्स पहनना पसंद करते हैं, जैकेट्स पहनना पसंद करते हैं. ऐसे ही हीट में, रेन में क्लोथ्स हमारी बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं उस सीजन से. सो वी वेयर क्लोथ्स टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर बॉडी फ्रॉम हीट, कोल्ड, rain and dust as well. We wear different type of clothes. As I told you earlier, we wear different type of clothes according to the seasons, and we also look smart in different type of clothes. And what are these different type of clothes? Like sometimes we wear party clothes when we are going to party, or uniform when we are going to school. So we wear different and variety of clothes according to the seasons also. There are three main seasons in India: summer, winter and rainy season. अब इन seasons में हम clothes किस तरह से wear करते हैं? Now let's see that. Let's know about clothes in summer season. As we all know, summers are very hot. There is extremely high temperature in summer season, especially in the month of May and June. You feel so hot because the temperature is so high in these days. So what we do? We like to have the things which are cold. We drink cold water, we drink shakes, cold milk, lemonade, which is very good for our health in summer season. So same way, what we like to wear in summer season, we like to wear the clothes which are very comfortable to us, the skin friendly clothes. And what is that? That is cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. Why? Because they are very comfortable, they are very skin friendly, और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंटली हम लोगों को स्वेटिंग बहुत होती है समर सीज़न में, और कॉटन क्लोथ्स स्वेटिंग को एब्जॉर्ब करने में बहुत हेल्प करते हैं. आपने कभी भी नोटिस किया होगा अगर आप कॉटन नहीं पहनते हैं समर में, कोई और कपड़े पहनते हैं तो क्या होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा स्वेटिंग होती है, अनकम्फर्टेबल फील होता है. सो इफ़ वी वेयर कॉटन क्लोथ्स इन समर, इट इज़ वेरी वेरी स्किन फ्रेंडली एंड comfortable. As I told you, we wear cotton clothes in summer season. But from where we get this cotton? We get cotton from cotton plant, right? सबसे पहले कॉटन प्लांट से कॉटन लिया जाता है, उसको मशीनरी की हेल्प से, लूम्स की हेल्प से थ्रेड बनाया जाता है, एंड देन दिस थ्रेड इज़ यूज टू मेक द कॉटन क्लोथ्स. कॉटन क्लोथ्स जो कि हम समर में यूज़ करते हैं. सो कॉटन क्लोथ्स आर मेड ऑफ cotton. Let's know about the clothes we wear in winter season. Winters are very cold. Now you can see just opposite of summer season, winters are having cold weather. The temperature is very low. So what we do in this season? We like to have heaters in our rooms. We like to have soup, hot milk, coffee, hot water. Along with that, we must wear the clothes which keep our body warm, especially in winter season. So what we should do? We should wear woolen clothes in winter season. woolen clothes like sweaters, caps, gloves, socks, jackets. These are the examples of woolen clothes, and these clothes keep our body warm. Now you can see here we get wool from sheep, right? And wool is used to make the woolen clothes. You can see the picture of sheep here. There is lot of fur on its body. So fur is removed from its body and later on wool is made. So we get wool from sheep and these woolen clothes are made up of wool. Now the next season is rainy season. Let's see what type of clothes we wear in rainy season. We all know it rains heavily in rainy season, but some of us like rainy season also. Plants become so green, it looks very nice all around us. So what type of clothes we wear in this season? We wear regular clothes in this season, but along with the regular clothes, we need to use umbrella when we go out. Other than umbrella, we can use raincoat. Gumboots can also be used in rainy season when we step out to protect ourselves from rain so that we remain dry all the time in rainy season. Now the most important point, we must always wear clean clothes, whether it is any season, summer, winter or rainy. कोई सा भी सीज़न हो, कपड़े हमेशा बिल्कुल साफ़ पहनने चाहिए. क्यों ऐसा करना चाहिए हमें? आप लोग बाहर जाते हैं, स्वेटिंग होती है, डस्ट भी रहती है, तो ये सब हमारे क्लोथ्स पे भी आ जाती है. और अगर हम बिना क्लीन किए क्लोथ्स को पहनेंगे तो हमारे स्किन पे इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है. So that is really important that we must wear clean clothes, wash them regularly, iron them and then wear it. One point is also there that we look smart in clean and iron clothes. I thank you all for watching this video and please subscribe my channel if you have not done earlier and please मुझे बताइएगा आप और कौन से टॉपिक्स पे वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं. थैंक यू वंस अगेन.